Google AI Pro plan was already one of the good ones out there, but Google decided to make it even better. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. Google has always offered a $20 per month AI Pro plan, which usually included perks like Gemini, Veo, and Nano Banana. Everything is still the same, but now it just got a big storage boost and some other AI tricks. For starters, users of the plan will see their cloud space jump from 2 TB to 5 TB at no extra cost, which means now you'll be paying the same for more room. That extra storage can be used not only for AI, but also Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos backups. And as to make your experience smarter, Gemini can now pull context from Gmail and the web for Drive, Docs, Slides, and Sheets, provide summaries for your Gmail inbox, and proofread emails before you send them. Google VP Shimmer Benier wrote on X that it's also introducing additional agentic help with Chrome Auto Browse that handles those tedious multi-step chores like planning a trip or filling out forms. Finally, Google has also announced that it's bundling its Home Premium subscription into AI Pro, a perk that usually costs $10 per month by itself. So that's basically $30 worth of stuff for a way less price. And if you want to save some extra money, then go for a yearly subscription that costs only $200. The storage and extra features are now available for new and existing subscribers. You may not see the benefits appear in your plan yet, but Google will get to you with your benefits soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.